According to OSHA, the lack of machine guarding is among the most common violations. Proper guarding helps prevent workplace injuries, accidents, and fines. With the 80/20 aluminum building system, you're able to construct a modular and durable machine guard that can be customized to fit any cell or work area. There are a variety of panel and profile options to make a machine guard that suits your work area. The T-slot framing allows for integration of multiple safety devices, such as sensors, lights, cameras, and alarms. Protect your people, equipment, and resources by building a secure and customizable machine guard. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.